In this video, we're going to do a high-level overview of PhlashLite and the different categories over here and how they work for you. So the first thing that we're going to look at is our conversations, and this is going to give us a record of all the conversations that we have going on in the business. We can filter by recents and unreads, and this is going to be where we're going to be able to communicate back and forth with a client inside of a conversation. If we want to access the client account, we can click right here, and we can assign it to someone else if we want to. We can also put in different information here and notes and those types of things into their account. The other way that we use this conversation tab is by looking at these conversation templates. So if we have something that we send out frequently and we want to send out an SMS, we can create a template for that, which will just plug in and drop in the information and make it quick for a templated response or interaction. The next thing is calendars. We can integrate with Outlook Calendar, Google Calendar, and connect different calendars and appointments into this. We can also set up calendars so that if you want to set up online scheduling that goes into your calendar, we can set that up as well. On the contact side, this is where you spend a lot of your time. The reason is because you can filter down your customer database by specific things. So we use city a lot in examples. If we just want to target people in Boston, for example, we can drill down by city and then select all 13 of those people and send out we would select them and then send out a text or an email to all those people. We can also add them to a campaign or workflow or add tags and a bunch of different stuff here. But this is a really great way. The other thing we can do is, let's say that we want to find this Amazon air duct cleaning, for example. We can just quickly search it, open up their profile here, and it goes back to that conversation tab. So we can, again, interact with them here, assign it to a client, leave notes, and that kind of stuff. Our opportunities, so we can create custom pipelines that are, fact find, proposal meeting, proposal sent, and then closed, and we can track that all the way through. So if you have a sales pipeline, we could use this opportunities to keep track of those things. For payments, we integrate with Stripe and PayPal. This is a really nice way if you are going to sell something and you want to do a transaction straight through Stripe and then apply it to someone's account. This is not something that most of our clients use, and if you do want to get this set up, let us know and we can help with that. All right, the next couple ones are important ones that are more technical, and we are happy to help with these. The first one is email marketing. So we can send out newsletters, and so we could easily just go to create email and select some of these pre-built templates, and you can drop them in. You can also save different templates. This is really beneficial if you're going to send out a newsletter. We do this for our clients, but this is a nice way if you want to do it yourself to send out an email blast to everyone. Automations is something that we will work in on our end, but just so that you have a quick overview, we have these folders built out, and basically this is where your automations trigger from. So one quick example is if a phone call is missed, this right here triggers a text back. So there's a bunch of different automations. We can also structure nurture automation. So let's say that you want to place a tag on someone's account and it automatically follows up with them over a certain amount of time. We can help you build that. You can also go here and build those if you'd like as well. The next one we have is sites. Some people will not have this. Most people will not have this, but what this allows you to do is to create custom funnels on your website and build out different forms and those types of things on your website. Majority of the time you would work with us to build these things out if it's something that you're interested in. Reputation, this is really important. This right here is how you send out a review request. One of the ways, you just put in the customer's name and the email or phone number and it sends out the review request. One way that I like using this is we can actually see the requests that have been sent out and if they've been opened, delivered, or sent. And so we can keep track of who has sent them and who has opened them. And you can also track how many reviews that you've received over a specific amount of time, and that's a really nice tool. The last couple ones here, we have reporting and education. So from a reporting standpoint, you can pull several different reports. We use this a lot on our side for appointments. If you do use the calendar, we can keep track of the appointments that have been booked and confirmed and all of that stuff. As always, we are here to help. If you have a question, you can go right over here to this little icon and you can message us directly. Our customer service team is ready to help. Or you can reach out to me, Phil, or Kaylin, or someone else on our team, and we are happy to help you be successful.